Did you know you can control your Canva presentation from your phone without standing next to your laptop? Yes, you can. So if you're someone who teach, you train, or you make Canva presentation, you'll definitely find this video useful because I'll be showing you step by step how you can use your mobile device to control your presentation. What I'm going to do right now is to open my presentation. So you open the presentation you want to use for the demonstration, go to this top right corner and click on present so you can move to full screen. And now on the bottom, move your mouse to the bottom. You'll see this 3-dot icon here. Click on it and then select remote control, share remote control. Just select it and then use your device, the device you want to use as your remote control. Use it to scan this QR code. So I'm going to go to my phone so I can scan this. Scan it. Then on your device, there are 3 options. The first one is to open in browser, the second one is to copy, and the last one is to share. So you're going to click on, I mistakenly removed that, so I'm going to go back. So there are 3 options. The first one is open in browser, the second one is copy, and the last one is share. So I'm going to click on open in browser so that my device can connect to this. So it is connected. You can see it on the screen. One device has connected to this. Now I'm going to remove this. Now using my phone to control this, so I'm going to click on next to control my presentation. Click on next, click on previous, and that's it. So this is how you can use your phone to control your presentation slide without standing close to your laptop. You can move around the room, your presentation room, comfortably and confidently. I hope you found this video valuable. If you found this helpful, kindly like my channel and kindly like the video, subscribe to my channel. You can also share, leave a comment as well. Thank you so much, and I want to see you in my next tutorial, in my next video. So stick to this channel. I'll be dropping more Canva tutorials and as well AI tools that you will find helpful. Thank you and see you next time.